Okay, so I'm just going to bring a chair in next to these French doors. Some nice lights coming in, get a bit of an angle. You can see how the light's just highlighting the edge of that chair. Miss 9, come and sit over here for me. Miss 9. Okay, so as we can see in this position, there is no light on the right hand side of her face and some nice soft light on the left hand side of her face. Now, if I just bring your face towards the window, you see how the light's kicked into her face there. Bring it back for me. So this really can't be a look at me kind of shot, because if I wanted to look at me, half her face is going to be in shade. So just bring the face gently, very slowly, bring it back, nice and slowly, slowly towards the window, towards the door. Keep going, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little more. Beautiful. So you see there's a lovely light there. And what we're looking for is the shade that kind of sculpts the face there. So with your eyes only, you note I say those words very carefully, with your eyes only, so you hear what I'm asking, just look here. Because if I ask her to look here, she'd probably move her whole face. I think we could maybe need to be a little bit closer to the door. So fortunately you're a light model. Right, can you put an arm up in the back of the chair there? That's nice. Now you're tilting your head towards me just a little bit too much. So just tilt your head back away from me, top of your head, top of your head. You can't do this with real models. Oh, you can do it with your children. That's okay. Beautiful. You even get a natural smile. So what we're going to look for here now is we've got the kitchen lights on the background there. You're just covering a little bit too much of your chin. So you've got a very delicate chin and a massive hand. So that's good. Now, with your eyes looking just towards here for me, maybe look up a little bit higher. That's it. Get a little bit of light in your eyes. A couple of shots of this. So we've got the background lights on, just give it a bit of a nice warm glow. I'm using the leading lines of the French doors here to kind of draw the eye towards the subject. Yeah, look here. A little bit dark in the background still. So I'm just going to turn a couple more kitchen lights on. Try and get a little bit more of a warm glow back there. Yeah, that looks nice. Just stay there for me, just a couple more. We're pretty much photographing anyone. You want to take a couple of shots, let them get used to you being photographed, and also, yeah, you might find a blink at a few of them. Well, there's one where the expression just kind of glows a little bit more. These are looking pretty nice. I might just go a little bit lower and shoot a tiny bit higher. Just bring your face back towards the window for me. You're losing that light. There you go, and chin down, chin down, chin down, chin down. Beautiful. Now pretend to be happy. Beautiful, I think. Now get that smile off your face, or it's just not quite so sad, not quite so happy. Think happy thoughts. Drop your chin down a little bit for me. Think about the millions of people watching this right now. Come a little closer to the wall here. Now with your eyes, just looking towards the door a little tiny bit more. Yeah, like you're looking outside, like you're locked in isolation for the last 2 months. So looking a little bit more towards the door, not quite so far there. There's good. So a little bit wider shot. Beautiful.